Salam, welcome to Mama Loop YouTube channel. I have zucchini. I thought why not make sugar-free zucchini coconut milk cake. Let's see how I make it. I peel and grate 1 kg of zucchini. In a large pan, I add the grated zucchini and 2 cups whole milk. Mix well. I bring it to a boil, cover and cook until the zucchini is soft. I cook the mixture till it thickens. Now I add 1/4 cup monk fruit sweetener. You can add sweetener according to your taste. 1 cup full cream milk powder. I mix the mixture well. Then I add 1 cup of desiccated coconut, half cup heavy whipping cream, I keep stirring until the milk is evaporated. Now I add 1/4 teaspoon cardamom powder. I mix well and cook until the mixture starts to separate from the pan and hold its shape. I transfer the zucchini mixture to a dish lined with baking paper. Sprinkle some ground pistachios. Level up and rest the cake set completely. I garnish with ground pistachios and almonds. I cut into the desired shape. Now I am enjoying zucchini coconut milk cake. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.